Hi, good evening, friends. My name is Manjula Kiran. You can call me Manju. How are you all today? Thank you for giving me this unique opportunity. Let me give my self-introduction. Well, when it comes to my qualification, I'm a law graduate with Mysore University, and currently I'm pursuing my PhD in International Law from Arizona University. Well, coming to my profession, I'm working as a legal advisor in an MNC company called Mindsoft in Bangalore. Well, with regards to my skill set, I'm good at English. I'm good at communicating with people. I'm good at presentation also. I will, with reference to my hobbies, I love singing, and I love listening to music. I love driving, and also I love cooking. When it comes to my family background, I'm married. My spouse's name is Mr. Kiran Kumar. He's an industrialist. We are blessed with one kid. His name is Master Sanjay. He is in the 9th class. When it comes to my skill set, goal set in life, I finally made up my mind to get legal job in a US based company called Technosoft by end of the year 2023. Dear friends, I would like to give more information about additional information about myself. I can sing Hindi songs, especially Lata Mangeshkar songs melodiously. I am giving self introduction with additional info about myself right now, and I go to office regularly without fail. I did my yoga yesterday for 1 hour and half an hour for on meditation, and I'll go to triangular trip on this January 17th to Delhi, Agra, and Jaipur. I have my Honda CRV car. It is an automatic, and I have immense interest to drive top-end cars. And I have very good friends with to travel with me and roam and take good experiences and enjoyment. And also, I have seminar tomorrow on international law, so I have to attend. Friends, now I would like to emphasize 9 layers of B form. I was Manjula Kiran. I was Manjula V. Sharma. Now I am Manjula Kiran Kaushik after my marriage. I will be Dr. Manjula Kiran Kaushik after my PhD. So I need all of your wishes.
Definitely, 100%, 100%. Our best wishes are there, and I can clearly visualize it in front of my eyes. Things
Thank
are
you very
in
much.
that way. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir.
Mm.
I was very fair and plumpy. Okay, now I'm fair and thin. I will be old and plumpy in future. And I was very mischievous earlier, but now I am very decent and bit reserved. I will be more matured and more adaptable. Sir, now I pronounce adaptable, correct? No, sir.
Yeah,
Last time I
absolutely.
did a mistake actually.
Yes, adoptable at the time you might have told.
Yeah,
Now,
yeah.
correctly you said now.
Yeah,
Perfect.
adaptable. I was very honest and trustworthy person. I am punctual and I am punctual to paperless fluency classes now, and I will be more intelligent and cordial. So when I was in 10th standard, I was contesting SPL election and elected as SPL with majority of votes.
Wow.
And I am working currently. I'm working as a state convener for BJP legal cell in Bangalore.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I will be contesting MP election for education minister in future.
Very good, definitely.
Great, 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 man.
Perfect, perfect.
Thank you very much.
So
I
now
was
what is the position you are now contesting for? Legal advisor cell. What is it?
Nice, sir. I am working as a state convener for legal, a legal cell for BJP party.
Wow, that is really great.
Yeah, with Yogendra Hudgatta, sir.
Okay.
Me and Yogendra Hudgatta, sir, for state conveners actually.
Mm-hmm. Means
Yeah,
what will be your role and responsibility?
Sir, actually, for BJP workers, so a lot of people are putting some fake cases on them, no?
Yeah, yeah.
So we are going to help
Handle
in that
those.
cases. Yeah, handle the cases, and also we used to do drafting and all for those
Excellent.
cases, and we are doing legal seminars, legal awareness camps throughout Karnataka, sir.
Perfect.
To give a little bit legal awareness to people.
Legal awareness, you meant to say.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, very good.
So we have here the very big legal cell, sir, BJP legal cell.
Fantastic.
Nearly 150 advocates are working as a conveners. We have state level conveners, district level conveners, and taluk level conveners also. So for my booth, okay, I'm ours is Yelahanka booth actually, Yelahanka constituency. So I'm working for a state level convener for Yelahanka constituency.
Fantastic. We are proud of you, madam. Great.
Thank you.
Great.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Yes. So I was okay, good student and lovable girl. I am now I am a reputed company employee, and I will be in central education and minister as I am dreaming.
Definitely, definitely it will happen. Yeah.
Thank you.
Because
So,
with a dream only, reality will start.
yeah,
So first,
initially you informed us visualization.
Yeah.
From that today, I'm visualizing myself as an educational minister.
Definitely. Perfect.
Thank you, sir. I'm number one ranked student in my class always. I'm number one project presenter in my company now. And I'll be a number one cabinet minister in future.
Wow, mind blowing.
I was in Hassan till my 10th class. I'm in Bangalore currently. I'll be in US maybe next year. And I was appreciated by all my teachers in my school days. And I awarded first rank in law graduation from Mysore University. I'll be appreciated by all Indian citizens when I am when I'll be become education minister.
Very good. And
Friends,
here every day I am appreciated by all my friends in Paperless Fluency.
Yes.
That also is applicable.
Yes, I'm appreciated with all my friends and with my respected teacher also.
Thank you. Very good. Thank you.
Friends, okay, with this, I completed my presentation on self-introduction and additional informations and 9 layers of B form. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Thank you.
Mind blowing. We observed that you made a little bit experiment. That is a wonderful experiment. It means present, past, future. Instead of giving separately, each sentence you made into past, present, and future. That is a wonderful improvisation you did. Excellent presentation.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very good. So now, my dear friends, let me conduct a brief, quick quiz. As I told you, let us start that with Manjula Kiran. Madam, how do you feel with the overall experience with this particular paperless fluency workshop? So initially you might have got some expectations. Now, how far they got fulfilled? Now, what is your overall feeling right now?
Yes, sir. Till date, I'm feeling very good because earlier I was a bit hesitant to speak English, as I already informed in the earlier stages of my classes also. Because it is not like that I am dared to speak. I am a very good orator in my mother tongue. I used to give a lot of seminars and a lot of speeches because I am part and parcel of Taluk, Sahitya Parishat, Vachana Sahitya Parishat. I'm working as an chief secretary in Sarvodaya Mandali. I used to give a lot of seminars in Kannada. But when it comes to English, bit hesitation was there in my mind. And why? Because you said, no, don't hesitate, just throw your words.
That's right.
So, but that greatness was not there in my mind. After joining this class, I got a lot of appreciation, lot of push from your end. So I started thinking in English only. Earlier I used to convert Kannada to English.
Yeah.
Whatever it comes to in my mind, no, I used to translate the that idea and I used to deliver the idea. But now I am thinking in English. I am delivering the same.
Definitely.
I'm feeling very nice and I'm feeling very blessed, sir. Thank you.
Perfect. So now you overcome that hesitation part. Now you are able to speak confidently.
Yes, sir.
In your office also, now you are able to speak with your colleagues.
Yes, sir. Officially, I was managing, sir, because officially we should not talk more. But when it comes to informal talk, then I thought, I'm doing mistakes with my colleagues and with my friends also. With my friends, that is not an issue. But with my colleagues, I don't want to do mistakes, because it gives some embarrassment every time.
Nowadays, how is it? Is in that front?
Nowadays, I am doing good, sir, actually. Some few of my good colleagues who are friends, a friend of me, they are telling, you are doing very good now. You are delivering very good English also. Great. So how you improve yourself? I said I am joining to this paperless fluency. I have given this link also to them.
Very
Maybe
good.
they are some of them attending last workshop also.
Very good.
So maybe
Webinar.
they are also joining. So I'm thanking to you, sir.
Thank you.
With
Thank you.
you only it is happening. So I'm blessed actually.
Thank you, man. It is in fact, I give the total credit to your dedication only. I have just guided you, but the total credit goes to you. In fact,
ಸರ್ ಗುರಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಗುರಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಗುರು ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮುಂದೆ ಗುರಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. I have aimed to get fluency of English.
Exactly.
And I have my guru behind me.
Very good. Very
we
good.
all blessed, sir. Not only me, we all blessed
Yes,
to
sir.
have with you.
Thank you, man. So
with us actually.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.